Welcome back to another episode of Let's Talk About EDC. Top 5 carry items. Top 5 carry items. Number 4. Number 4 on my list. Don't hate me. Don't kill me. Multi-tool. Multi-tool. They come in all shapes and sizes. Big, small, short, tall, wide, skinny, flat, fat back. Yes. And this is the NiteIze Doohicky. Right there, NiteIze. Don't know if it says Doohicky on the other side. It should. Okay, it's got a ruler. Ruler on the top. Millimeter on that side. Inchy on the other. Okay, got your wrench sizes. 5/16, quarter, carabiner, bottle opener. Click-clack-clack. Right there. Click-clack-clack, bottle opener. I forgot about that. And you can take these bits out. Pry bar on this end. There's your inchies. Okay, you can take one of these bits, put it in there, and ratchet it. And then you can flip it over and ratchet it the other way. So the bits come in handy if they'll come out. If it'll come out. My goodness. My goodness. 2 different sizes. Okay, got your detent right there. So you got your 2 and your 3. Flip it over, and you can loosen. Okay. Take your bit out, put it back in the holder. And if you're in a pinch, this might be able to save you. Okay, it's got a bi-directional. It's got a directional arrow right there. Flip it over, and there's your other directional arrow. NiteIze Doohicky, made in China, patent pending. But yeah, where would it rank on your list? Would it make your top 5? We'll leave the conversation right there. If you have anything to add, drop a comment below. If you want to subscribe, if you like the video, you know what to do. If you want to subscribe, have at it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. EDC. Over and out.